Hey everyone, thank you so much for downloading my presets. I am super excited. I know you're going to love making magic with your everyday photos, and I wanted to make this quick install video to help you install them and get them going very quickly. So, what you're going to do is the very first thing, go to the App Store on your phone, and you're going to want to download two apps. Dropbox right here is the very first one. It is a free app. If you don't already have it, it's very easy to sign up, and you can actually delete this if you don't want it after you're finished installing. So download Dropbox. You're also going to want to download Lightroom CC. That is the application within which the presets work. So you're going to use my presets within this Adobe Lightroom CC. It is free for your phone. If you want to use it on your computer, I believe it is $10 a month, which is worth it if you're editing on your computer a lot. So go ahead and download Lightroom CC and Dropbox. Now, after you purchase your presets, you should get a link in your email. Looks a lot like this, and it'll say your digital download order. So underneath this digital downloads right here, you'll see that there's a link to a PDF. So you're going to go ahead and click right on that, and it will bring up a page that looks like this. So you can open it in Books on your phone. If that's not available, you can also add it to your notes and open it there. It should work either way, but it's going to bring up a page right here with some instructions. So you're going to want to go ahead and click the link that's in the big box right there at the top, and it'll take you to your Dropbox app, to this specific folder that I've shared with you. So once you get to this Dropbox folder that I've shared with you, now you're going to actually export your presets. You know that these are the presets because they say .dng at the very bottom on the file name. And do not panic that they all look the same right now. That's simply because Dropbox cannot read a DNG file like Lightroom can. It's a specialized file just for Lightroom CC. So don't panic that they all look the same. That will change. So the first thing that you're going to do is click on the three dots, the circle with three dots, and then hit export. Now, if that is not available to you, sometimes it will say download or save, and that's what you want to do. Don't panic if it gives you a little bit different terminology. Just continue to go along with the process, and then you're going to hit save image. Sometimes that says export. You're going to want to go ahead and do that with all of the presets that are in your collection. Sometimes it might take a little bit like this to save. And then one more. Saving that now. Now, do not panic if you go to your Photos folder and you just see a bunch of white squares like this, because your Photos folder, again, can't read the specialized Lightroom file, so don't panic. The next thing that we're going to do is open Lightroom. And I have my Lightroom set to go ahead and automatically import photos that are added. So as you can see, my DNG files are already starting to show up here. But if for some reason they don't, all you're going to do is click this little button at the very bottom right that has the plus sign. It'll go to your camera roll, and you can see my DNG files that I just saved right here at the very top. Now obviously they're blacked out. Again, don't panic, just continue to follow through. You can click on one, you'll see it, and then you'll click the check mark to add it to your library. So once all of the files are in your library and they say DNG on top of them, you're ready to go ahead and make them presets. So what you'll do is click on one of them. You should see the name of the preset listed, and then you're going to go up to the upper right hand corner and again click the three dots in the circle. Now then you're going to go down and click Preset, Create Preset. This one's name is Sunkiss. So I'm going to add that into the preset name, and then I'm going to go ahead and create my own preset group. Since this is the spring collection, I'm going to go down, click Preset Group, click this little arrow by User Presets, and push Create New Preset Group. So I'm going to make my own grouping just to keep the spring collection separate from all the rest. You only have to do that one time. Now, the other thing to note is do not adjust any of the check mark boxes that are below. Leave them just as they are and hit the check mark button. You'll see that it's been added. And from now on, you can find that preset. If you scroll over at the very bottom all the way to the right, hit presets. And you may need to click this little arrow next to user presets or presets at the top to see the different collections that you have. But you can see this Sunkissed preset is now in the spring collection. So you'll just go through each preset, go back to your library, and you'll do that for all of the presets in your collection. Once that is done, you are good to go, and you can scroll down. You'll select an image that you want to edit, scroll over to presets, hit that button, push the check mark, and then you can go in and make smaller adjustments like exposure and things like that. Once you're ready to save an image, you'll just hit this box with an arrow at the very top and push Save to Camera Roll. And that is it. It's super easy. If you have any problems while you are installing your presets, the fastest way is to DM me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is @LissaAnglin. And again, I'm so excited to see your images. Please be sure to use the hashtag LissaAnglin presets when you post, because I love seeing your photos.